Hi, I just wanted to show you the Royal Princess tiara, and there it is there. It's just spectacular and it looks beautiful on, and it goes right around to the side, and it's just simply gorgeous. So there it is again. It's just beautiful. And I also wanted to show you the heart design pearl and crystal comb. This is just beautiful. It's got very long prongs, so it's going to stay in your hair, and that's what it looks like. It's just so feminine and beautiful. And you just pop that in your hair, and there you go. It just looks beautiful. Can I bring it a bit more to the front for you so you can see it better? There. And it's just beautiful. So there it is again. So just some tiaras and comb that are available from Tiararama.